Hey everybody, it's Paula here, and in today's video I want to show you how to use Revoke.Cash. Revoke.Cash is a great tool for anybody that is using decentralized finance, buying and selling NFTs, because when you sign a contract, quite often you give a contract access to spend your funds, and sometimes this is unlimited access to spend your funds. If somebody hacks that contract or things go wrong, that can cause a problem. Now, it's quite common to see these sort of contracts signed when you're using a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or something like that. But you should never be giving somebody access to spend all of any particular coin or token that you're holding in your wallet. So the purpose of Revoke.Cash is to connect to your wallet and check and see what contracts that you need to revoke access from, and then allow you to revoke access. So we're going to hop over now and we're going to take a look at that so you can learn how to quickly revoke access from all blockchains once you connect. So it's Revoke.Cash. Once you come in here, you can connect your wallet. So I'm going to connect my MetaMask wallet. And when it connects my MetaMask wallet, make sure you have all the buttons ticked. And then it's going to check for a token balance. In this case, on the Ethereum chain, I haven't, or on the Binance chain, I've got no token balances. So I'm also going to check on each and every chain, and I'm also going to check my NFTs. So we can see on this one, we have no allowances set up. Now, when I go to Polygon under tokens, we can see I have DAI in unlimited allowance, and I need to first switch chains to make sure that I'm reading off the right chain. So now I've switched chains. So now I can quickly revoke access. So I can revoke this DAI. So I'm going to revoke this. And as you can see, I haven't done this in some time. And every time you revoke access, it is going to cost you a small bit in transaction fees to revoke your access. But you can see all of these that I have unlimited allowances for. Now, why is this important? If you give smart contract unlimited allowance to spend your funds and something goes wrong, they can spend all your funds. So you need to revoke that access. It's also good practice to make sure you disconnect from sites. So when you're using Revoke.Cash, what you need to do is check all of your wallets, check all of the chains. Make sure you have each of these ticked, and also make sure then that you check your NFTs as well. So that's how you use Revoke.Cash.